this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your camera not working on iPhone, iOS 26 and above, or even below. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing that you can do, and it's going to be the most effective thing, is going to be force quitting your camera application and restarting your mobile device. So if you have your camera open, simply go ahead and close that and then force restart your iPhone. And how you're going to be doing that is by pressing and releasing your up and down volume button and immediately holding down the power button until the Apple icon appears. Now, the other thing you can do is head into your settings and go to general and then simply scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and then click on reset all settings. This is not going to delete any of your files, but it's going to delete all the system settings and so on. And it's going to simply go ahead and fire it back on. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.